Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, if you watched the last video, I had trouble with belt slipping. A lot of trouble. And I'm going to, when I made this motor bracket, I made it adjustable up and down. And I think if I lower the motor, it'll provide more belt tension to here. See, the whole thing pivots like that. I'll probably have to get a longer belt, which I don't have right now, but this motor is really heavy. Crazy heavy. Half horsepower. Looks good with this lathe. It's about the same time period, but crazy heavy. Alright, I don't think there's any way this belt will reach now. No. Well, I found this left over from the this link belt left over from the bandsaw. There we go. Well, something I've noticed, it is a little more tension, but it's more so the more vertical you get, which makes sense. So I need to shorten that belt a little bit. I believe that's going to increase the tension substantially. This is some surplus belt I got. I just ground both ends and it's 1 inch. I gotta add 1 inch for that grind when I measure the belt. Now that belt's a little bit thicker. We'll cook that for a full 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 22 minutes. It's not real critical as long as it's long enough. Let's take this thing off of there. Well, we'll just have to wait and see if that's any better. That about wraps it up for today, and thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.